die. Vicky and Barbara, step back. It's head-to-head, fighting for your existence on the programme. Good luck to yous. Fingers at the ready. There's the grid, there's the square. What's the number? The number was a 4. David, took you an absolute eternity. You were really slow there. You knew your reflexes just weren't good enough. That's the terribly bad news. The good news is that Di got it wrong. So, Di, you slip up there. Dave gets a reprieve for that. And Di, I've got to say goodbye to you.
Bye.
Di goes, but maybe not forever. Barbara, that depends on you, but you're now fighting for your existence. How's it feel standing there in your own son?
A little lonely and a little vulnerable.
Yeah, OK. Well, it's up to you. Be strong. OK, you're on your own. Same rules apply. Let's look at the square. Look at the grid here. What's the number? The number was a 2. By far in the lead, the red team again. Here's the question. In which European city would you find Gaudi's Sagrada Familia?
Should we guess? Rome. We'll guess Rome.
No, it's actually in Barcelona. OK, reprieve for the other teams. Thanks. Back in again. Let's look at the grid. Let's highlight another square. Very important, this. Oh, these reaction times are amazing. The number was 3. I don't know how well you're playing at home, but all the teams got it. All the teams so fast. But these reds, I mean, you are on fire, guys. Absolutely on fire. Here's the question. Which pop star has 2 sons called Sean Preston and Jaden James Federline?
Britney Spears.
Is the right answer. OK, it's Barbara now against who?
Again?
Dave.
Dave and Barbara. You see, Dave, they think that Dave, he's slow. That's what they think. He may get it right in the end, but he's slow. OK, you've got to prove them wrong. You've got to be quick and fast. Barbara, he can afford to get it wrong. You can't. Right. Good luck to you. Fingers at the ready. Let's look at the square. What's the number? The number was a 3. Yes. You were both right. You're looking very pleased with yourself, Dave. Are you confident you were quicker than Barbara?
I think so.
Yeah.
You think right, you were. Barbara, bad news for you. It is bye-bye to the green team.
Bye-bye.
We've had an absolutely fantastic day, but it's so much more difficult on TV.
Yeah, when I pressed that button against Dave, and I just heard his click just before mine.
But it has been a real experience.
Yeah, Eamon, thanks a bundle. It was great.
So bye-bye to our horsey ladies. And if you're playing along at home, here's how the grid finished with the missing numbers going in those spots. OK, that completes the grid. And we're down to 2 teams. Let's have a look at the scores. Dave and Vicky, they're sitting on 7. A commanding lead, though. Is it unassailable from Julian and Astrid on 18? OK, what happens now is speed Sudoku. This time, one player from each of the sides goes head-to-head. We change the grid, we make it bigger. It's a 6x6. They have 45 seconds to complete as many squares as possible. They will take it in turn to fill a highlighted square and then control passes back and forward between players after each answer. That's what it's all about. All you've got to do is to decide who plays for who. Julian and Astrid.
Be Astrid.
Astrid, OK, you're seasoned. You know what this is all about, Astrid. Dave and Vicky.
I think I'm going to do it.
Dave, you will kick off first. 45 seconds on the clock. Good luck to both of you. This for a place in the final. Let's reveal the grid. Off you go.
1.
5.
1.
4.
1. 3.
4.
6.
4.
6.
6.
3.
2.
1.
1.
2.
You got that, Dave, but you're out of time. Astrid, you have an amazing 16 seconds still left. Off you go.
1. 3. 3. 2. 1. 1.
And with that, it's all over. Before we look at the scores, let's just complete the grid. Not that there's too much left to complete, but those are the numbers that go in the different boxes there. Remember, it was 2 points for a correct square, -1 for each incorrect answer. Astrid, you set the pace. 13 correct answers, absolutely none wrong. The total to beat, 44 points. Dave, do you want me to go through the motions?
Yeah, it's not really a whole lot of point.
Well, just maybe people are interested in statistics. It was 5 right within the 45 seconds. There was 3 wrong, and it gave you and Vicky a final points total of 14. So I don't think there can be any argument about that. There is a 30 points difference in that. That's why these guys are so good. We say goodbye to you two. Thank you both very much indeed. And good luck with your pending nuptials, Vicky. Thank you. Lovely meeting you both. Astrid and Julian, you know where you're going. To that final.
Well, that was quite an experience going in against them with so many points behind going into the speed Sudoku. It was kind of hard to keep focus, but we just have to say the better person won.
And it wasn't that we were rubbish, it was just the fact that they're brilliant. So, hope you win lots of cash, Red Team.
Yeah.